Hi, welcome to the video on digital logic number system. My name is Hera Shaheen and today I am going to tell you how to solve some problems based on number system. Here is one question which says that what is the minimum number of bits required to represent 5725 base 10 in binary. So the question says that you are given a number in binary and you have to represent it in binary. The number is given in decimal and you have to represent this number in binary, but you have to tell that what is the minimum number of bits required. You can represent in the more than that number of bits also, but the minimum number of bits what will be. So first of all, you should know that what is the maximum number of bits, maximum number you can represent in n number of bits. If number of bit is 1, then if number of bit is 1, n is number of bit, then the numbers you can represent is 2 to the power of 1, maximum number represent is 2 to the power of 1 minus 1 will be 1. What are the numbers? One is 0 and other is 1. This is the lowest number and this is the largest number you can represent in 1 bit. 0 and 1. How many numbers are there? There are number of numbers are 2, but maximum number is 1 and the lowest number is, maximum means largest number is 1 and the smallest number is 0, but the total number of numbers are 2. If n is equal to 2, means if number of bit is 2, then what will be the largest number? Largest number will be 2 to the power of n minus 1 will be 2 to the power of 2 minus 1 will be 3. Means the largest number we can represent in 3 bit is 3. How? 2 bit. Here n is 2 bit. 0, 0 is the smallest number. 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. These are in total 4 numbers. But the largest number or maximum value you can represent, maximum decimal value is 3, which you can represent in 2 bits in binary. So in this way you can find that in any base, if you are given any number of bits, what is the largest number or maximum number you can represent in that number of bits. Suppose you are in octal you want to find, then in that case how you will find 8 to the power of n minus 1. 8 is for base and n is number of bit minus 1. So in general what you can write, that if base is x to the power of n is number of bit minus 1. This is the largest value you can represent in n bit. Okay. Largest value or maximum value you can represent in n bits. Largest value that can be represented in n bit is x to the power of n minus 1, where x is base and n is number of bits. Base and n is number of bits. Okay. So this is the largest value or maximum value. And if you are asked how many number of bits you can represent, then in that case your answer will be x to the power of n. Okay. But the largest value will be x to the power of n minus 1. You make this as a note and remember this. Now I am solving this question. We will use these things. So I am erasing it. So now this number we have to represent in binary in n bits. Then this number must be less than the largest number we can represent in n bit. The largest number we can represent in n bit is 2 to the power of n minus 1. this will always be greater than equal to this number. If we are representing this number in n bit in binary, then this will always be less than this number. Okay, so now we can solve this n. So what will be this? 2 to the power of n will be greater than equal to 5725 plus 1, and this will be equal to 2 to the power of n greater than equal to 5726, and take logarithm on both sides, base 2, because here you are given in power of 2, so take logarithm on base 2. So what will be this? Log of 2 to the power of n base 2 will be greater than equal to log of 5726 base 2, and this will become n, and this will be log of 5726 base 2. Write this number in power of 2. So 5726, 2 to the power of 10 is what? 1024. 2 to the power of 10 is 1024. 2 to the power of 11 is 2048. 2 to the power of 12 is 4096, and 2 to the power of 13 is 8192. But this number is 5726, so it means number will be between 2 to the power of 12 to 13. So it will be 2 to the power of 12 point something. So as let's say I am assuming that this is equal to 2 to the power of 12.3. I am assuming this, approximating this, that this is equal to this. Okay, it's not exact number, but it will be in between these things. Okay, that's why I am assuming that this is 2 to the power of 12.3. So now we can replace this using 12.3. So now what will be your answer? Your answer should be greater than equal to 12.3. Means it can be, n can be 13, 14, 15. Since it is in decimal, we have to take the value. N is number of bit. We cannot take this value in decimal. Then it should be integer value, and it should be greater than 12.3. It means it should be 13, 14, 15. Then 13, 14, 15 and so on. Means any number of bits, in any number of bits you can represent this number. But the minimum value of the number of bits, minimum number of bits will be 13. And don't need to write each and every number and then find the minimum value. You can just think of, for this type of question, what you have to do, you have to take its seal, 12.3 seal, so it will be 13. Whenever in the question you are given that n is greater than equal to something and you have to find its minimum value, then take its seal. And whenever in the question you are given that n is less than equal to this something and you have to find its maximum value, then take its floor. Okay, whenever in the question you are given that less than equal to and you have to find its minimum value, then take its seal function. And if the question is given that n is less than equal to something, then in that case to find the maximum value, take the floor function. Okay, so for this question your answer is 13. This is the minimum number of bits required to represent this number in binary. Okay, now we will see more problems in the next video. If you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you have any query, ask in the comment section, or you can write in the discussion forum also. Okay, thanks for watching.